So working on the Citroen C4, and what's happened here is they've changed the gearbox, and it's very juddery. So when it's in gear, it kind of shakes quite badly, and when I'm kind of doing this, I can feel like it's trying to engage and it's not engaging. So what we'll do, we'll code it in using the AUTEL machine. So if I show you, you'll have to go into Diagnosis Control Unit, that section there, and then it will give you a special function here in a second. There we go. There you go. There you go. And then it will transmission programming. So we'll do that one. There we go. And then we'll pick obviously we'll do this one, and then if anything else requires programming, we will do, but we'll just do this for now. Okay, that's fine. So we're happy. So vehicle and engine stopped. So that means, in other words, turn it off and turn the ignition on, which we have. And then on. Okay, that's fine. As you can hear, it's selecting the gears itself. On here is just kind of doing its job. There we go. So turn the ignition off. Okay, so there you go, and press OK, and we'll just have to wait until this time is over and then turn the ignition back on. So now it's telling us to put the ignition back on. Press OK, and it's taught it, in other words. So let's just start the engine. So we've started the engine, and then press OK. On there it's showing the dash. There you go. So now it's telling us to turn the ignition off again completely. And we'll just wait for another minute and we'll see what happens. So again, it's telling us to turn it back on. Press OK. So it's finished, in other words. It's telling us what we need to do. This is exactly what we need to do. So we'll do all this and hopefully see how it goes.